Okay, so today we're going to be doing a revisit of this Mark 7 ChoiceWash XT located at a Shell gas station at Newmarket Drive in Newmarket. So yeah, and this is going to be my first car wash of 2019. Okay, so let's do that and I will swipe my card. Okay, so here we go. Do this wash. There we go. Now that's going on in. It's not in gear. So let's drive on in. And it looks like today we will be getting the ultimate soft touch wash. So yeah, been a while since I've been there and get the soft touch wash. So let's do this. Get over this straddle. There we go, and let the wash begin. Okay, let's go ahead for the dryers. We have 80 seconds of dryer time again. So let's see how the Mark 7 Vertex dryer do. There we go. Perfect timing. Now where can I park? Okay, let's park wherever there. Look, make sure there's no one coming. Yeah, I'll park wherever there since there's a parking spot. I'll park where beside this car. Or wait here. Since I'm at this parking spot. I'll pull in. And I will take a look to see how the car wash did. Okay, there we go. There you go. Let's take a look to see how the car wash does. So the dryers did really well on the sides. Clean the tires too. You have no water. It's surprised that the dryers did well on the sides, especially if there's no side dryers. There's a little bit of water on the back, or maybe a little bit of soap I should say. It cleaned the back windshield because before we went in, we had a really dirty back windshield, so it did that. Cleaned the tires really well. And cleaned the dryers, and cleaned the tires at the front. Dryers didn't do well at the hood of the car. I probably went too fast, or not, I made, so yeah. Cleaned dryers didn't do well at the front here too. So yeah, that is my first car wash of 2019. So this wash has done a great job as always. I highly recommend this Shell location. So yeah, so that concludes the first car wash of 2019. So I think that would be it for me. Thank you so much for watching as always. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.